Cutlass will go down from here.
No, they have go. I don't want to start it.
Okay.
You have to know if it's steer, you have to know if you control it and guide it. One side not tear big and one side not tear little.
Okay. So you tear in the middle. Okay.
Yeah, we take time, you can let dry sudden so.
If you dry sudden, we start tear one side.
Split this again. You see me we have to go.
Oh, that they say you want to split it, you know?
Yes.
Where it's soft part there. Okay, I know I miggle that the way there. Okay, let me see white part.
And then you have to go gutter part in afterwards.
See it, right. I look white part then I miggle this so soft.
Yes, and the hard part.
Hard, yeah.
You see, when you do it and you see it boil up, one part will come up big and one part will come up, but so you go, but you have to control it still, but you turn clean it on the other side and make it come out.
Make it come back
even.
Yeah. See it come back. So that now where you do this now?
And take out the thing them get out of here now.
Oh, so what size you make them? How you know what size to pull them out?
Oh, you can see the mark.
Like, a mark?
Like I couldn't think like him. Tape like 1/8 and all in here. You see the mark. Let me show you the mark.
Oh, yeah, man, I want to see.
If you can't see the high bottom, you see the mark here, so. See one here, so. And then it look like one right here, so.
Oh.
You look here. Sometimes, you know, but maybe.
Yeah, see one mark there. Yeah. See the one there.
See he got them, so see that, but it can come out with shallow with some part of here, so still. Sometimes, you know, have it in a sheet, but you just go and split and
split, yeah.
See there.
Yeah. So this is one fresh one, I know.
This one. Which one?
That.
It's a bad piece, delicate, tough.
Eh?
That piece of mature that it's hard part, tough part, really fast.
Oh. Yeah. So this is where you do now, you clean up it.
Yes,
then you flip that in half. So you basically split it based on the size of how you want to
you
band them.
Yes.
Okay.
Then that back piece. I mean, I use them for when they attend
The back?
they easy to drop.
Oh, the back piece are like the first part.
Yeah, the back
Like when you take off the back, the back.
Yeah.
When you take off the back.
They easy black up, you know, and they
Oh.
yeah, me and my boss with the big piece. I like them, they are like big piece, you know. I like that.
And them there we basically take out from inside.
Yes, and the big piece of the basket. You know, but some people are making all
So that way I strip off now, it bark that,
yes.
and it left inside part. So.
Maybe I take the best part of the basket, you know. The basket all look good on. First, you have to take all the stick out here, you know.
The stick?
The same piece, I'm going to say a hard piece. Yeah.
Oh, the art. Oh, so you remove the art out there first.
That piece, see
Okay.
there, this.
Yeah. So once you remove that, you can, anything else you strip out, they can use.
This no good.
Right. If you use that, it will broke up.
Yes,
That dry and broke up.
It broke up.
And then you just cut in the size how you want it.
You have to steady, you have to direct, you know. You put that inside. You find it. You have to judge it in the ground with your cutting. I come here, I come here, but you have to know if you have to do like so, you have to hold it like side, make it go from one to the same size, you see. This side the seat I lean too much, I did narrow.
Yeah.
You take care of that this side.
Oh. Okay.
You can't just hold it and drag it.
No, sir, I practice, you have to practice it. I like you know if you do it.
If you just hold it and drag it, so you point.
It go just lean everywhere. You want to see if you hold it. You know?
We can also do, you know.
Weaker?
You know, we squad them. We call it time. So when I book you want to do, you like to use it.
To make a basket?
If you work here and all, you use it. You know, I call good. It can just, all when you guys, easy, broke up.
Oh.
There are two types, the brown one and the white one, the brown one and this one. basket, you find the right mark, you know, you go to it, you come down. That's right here.
Here out neat, even. Yes, people, so we have took the material to make the basket. We frame up the ribs. I always say Mr. Maki to weave it. You call them part there?
Yes.
To plait the basket, we look the piece them to plait the basket. And we look the piece them to make the tie the angle. Yeah. And we did have the angle already?
No,
like this?
We not finished getting yet. We not finished getting them. For me, I search, then we find some other one than that.
So this a piece how we have a ground so?
Yeah, we have carried that still, but we go search and see we find some more and get some other piece of me, another piece of long piece of it. Another piece of plastic.
Oh, so this a piece how they are going so they use that make a bigger basket?
Yeah, so me got to search and find the right thing and stick to.
Okay. In the forest. Alright, people. So we are go back out now. Go back out our books. So we do some already. So this kind of listening work. You see, Mr. Mac will have some of the hook. See the people? Holy basket ready for me. So we are head out now, Mr. Macbull.
Yes.
Just to kind of refresh what I said before, we are basically going to make a basket. So I'm going through the entire process of making a basket. So first you have to go and you have to select the tree to cut the material from to make the basket. And based on what Mr. Macbull is saying, the name of the tree is hook tree. I'm going to try and see if I can find out the scientific name or other common names. Maybe you guys will be familiar with it by another name. But for now, it's the hook tree. In Jamaica, we call it the hook tree. Maybe some parts of other parts of Jamaica too might have a different name, but for now, Mr. Macbull says it's the hook tree. So we find the hook tree, we find the material hooks, and we basically chop them, the pieces that we want, and test. Make sure that the hearts they are not being eaten by a weevil or ants or anything like that. So, and we select and we cut those materials to make the ribs, to make the band, to make the handle. Catch back, Mr. Macbull. Run, go catch up, Mr. Macbull. Alright, Mr. Mackie?
Yes.
Okay. Running. Alright. Yeah, nutmeg that. See one little nutmeg. That is how nutmeg grow, people. It grows on a tree. And then it open, the pod, that you see that yellow thing, open and the nutmeg fall out. And then when the nutmeg fall out, you just crack that nutmeg and you get the part that you normally use to put in tea, drinks, and so on. Put them here, sir?
Yeah, see. But they don't know if they can. Then you get dry out, man.
And dry, maybe them.
And then small one because you make the small basket, you see it? Then dry up, you know. And then you can't know if you
yeah.
You don't go ugly when you
exactly.
Ugly, you have to paint.
Yeah. I don't want to paint, I want to have a natural colour them.
The sun, you know, them dry up still out in the sun to them the one we chip out too.
Okay.
You are good, you are them ready for plot, you know, the thing, you know. Got the small basket them. And then, like how them I take out, we are going to use them, you know. You always take them out, stretch them out and make them stay there.
Okay.
Because they want to do them, they bend up on one way.
Yeah.
And when you wrap it, they have to wrap it bend. They open it,
Right.
open it, make them stay up there. So I don't know if it's on to this. Yeah. Make them stay up. Right, I share here, so.
Alright people, so we done do the preparations.
You see it on the video, this too.
Yeah, me see it man, hold it again. Me see it man. So people, we done do the preparation phase, we get the material to make the basket. So tomorrow,
You can put it on.
we're going to start.
You put it.
Tomorrow we are going to start making. So you know, I put them in on the sun. You know, and dry out, and then dry out. Then easy for dry out. Then dry out, them and get brittle.
The dog then come skate out here.
And break up. And now you can flex like you don't want it to flex make the
You
basket.
see right here, so.
Understand? So, alright, tomorrow guys. Hello, now that you're at the end, if this video was beneficial to you, please consider subscribing. To subscribe to my channel, please click the red subscribe button and then click the bell icon beside it so that you will be notified whenever I publish a new video. Thank you.